Hello, good morning, students. I'm sorry that I'm not able to be there today. I ask that you please give it your best shot and do as much as you can today. I also teach at the middle school, so sometimes my schedule conflicts and I'm not able to be in two places at once, sadly. So anyway, for today, just until the bell rings, I ask you to just work on these two assignments. Start at the top, work your way down. Just click right here on Shark Tank discussion. You'll just click on this link right here. This will open up a Google Doc full of Shark Tank videos that are really good. You get to choose whichever one you want to watch. After you watch the video, please answer these three questions. Right, just click right here on reply. And what I would do is I would just click and drag over these questions, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and then I could just answer the questions right here below. That just makes it a lot more organized and easy to do. Then answer the questions about the video you just watched, and then once you hit post reply, you'll be able to see the other students' posts and just go read through those and just comment, I liked your post, or you did a really good job, I liked how this happened, I'll have to go watch that video. Just comment something so I can know that you are commenting and reading other people's thoughts. Then you'll do that 3 times. So you'll choose 3 different videos. So there's 7 videos, so you watch almost half of them. So if I'm not sure how much time that'll take you, or with the assembly, I'm not sure how much time you'll have or what they'll do. But if you do finish early and there's still some time left over, I might put other stuff here for you to do. But whatever there is to do today, this is where it'll be. Your other assignment that you could start working on. If you've taken my class before, you've probably worked on this in the past. Basically, you're just making a vision board for yourself. There's instructions and videos and pretty simple walkthrough stuff that you can do if you have more time. Or if you get done and you don't want to work on your vision board, feel free just to watch the rest of the videos, depending on how much time. But there should be like 20-25 minutes of class, so 3 videos about 4 or 5 minutes long. It should not have a ton of time left over. But anyway, again, I'm sorry I'm not there. I hope you have a good day. I will see you on Friday, and have a great day.